This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. My brother, how's it?
Mo abuti ubua okay ke gaise ubua le Tshepo.
Tshepo ne?
Wa ko Foslo ga se 1475.
1475. What's your take on the game tonight?
The talk of the game nantsho ke to itshongo ba abuti ke gore Sundowns this season plus coach oba mtshwereng. So like okay, hobane ko fela ko social media ra bona defense Sundowns le ka coach ka game ing pontitse hore wetseng coach asale Sundowns this season I never in the league. There's no cup Sundowns at Loinkang this season. Not sure.
Wow, so.
Ka performance. Ka performance from 68 minutes. We are qua. Chiefs in they
dominate there.
They dominate. My player Sundowns the second ball. Ne basa yeng kintwe ntwe ki buang no hore wetsekeng ntwe ya hore Sundowns e tlo etsa kare league ya South Africa kare Farmers League e fedile kare dominate ke team A1 never the team tsa Soweto okay aki favorite Pirates na ke na ke le khosi nna
Khosi for life
na ke le khosi for life okay ke na le bo Makiba ka ke le le Pagania le intitse go MTN 8 no ga dlala Wednesday ba hloya go shapa na ya gona no ya gona no ya go bontsha hore wetsekeng foundation ya seliteng kwa je ke man coach Nabi no Nabi o tshotse foundation no this season no chance hore wetsekeng re shota ka di player tse re di signileng fela.
Oh yeah, thanks striker. No, thanks my brother. All the best ka Saturday ne.
Thank you brother. All the best. 3 points ke yinka. Na ke ya higher international break. Okay, nearly 9 points. Okay, c'est 10. 13 points. Na international break ya ka 13 points. Ka se shape ke Golden Arrows. Na ka okay, ba shebeletseng hona jene. Ha bana le bothata ona, ba tlo tla ona like ko Tshepo Wusa ko TikTok le ko Facebook. Ba tlo tla ba ntshetse go emfetso. Handle okay ya Instagram ke tshepo.wusa.com ya Instagram same thing ya Facebook ke Tshepo Songwane.
Thanks my brother. Hola. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.